everyone, welcome back. So today we're doing a bit of a mix. I have these lovely owl stickers that I'm wanting to use to do like a carrying on the winter theme. So I'm going to choose a couple of these. I think the ones with the black. I've already gone ahead and put a base coat of black on 3 of the nails, and I've done the Born Pretty milky white jelly on this nail here. So one of the nails I'm going to be using chrome, so I'm going to use the chrome Born Pretty top coat on one of the nails. So I'll pop that on now and I'll get that in the lamp. So you pop it on, you cure for 60 seconds, and then you go ahead and rub your chrome in. So I've got like a silver chrome, and I'm hoping to do like some stamping on or some stickers on top of that nail. So I'm just going to pop that in the lamp. So now for these other nails, I'm going to do stamping on this one. So I'm going to do some black stamping onto this nail here. So I have white stickers for one of the nails, but I didn't have them in black, but I do have the plate. So I'm going to do them ones in black, and I think I'm going to use the stickers on the white. So I'm going to do a little bit of using the Born Pretty jelly gel, just a glitter. I'm going to firstly pop that on and just bring it down the nail just a little bit. So I'm just going to start by putting it on the top. Just a little bit across the cuticle, shall we say. And then I'm going to use a little brush. And I'm just going to try and bring that down the nail, just to still give it a little bit of a sparkly winter look. If you can see the brush strokes, just give it a little bit of a dab. I think I'm going to bring it down the sides, because I do have a sticker to go on here. Like I say, those owl stickers. So just to add it, give it a little bit of sparkle. And pop that one in the lamp to cure it, and we're going to do this one. So this one is going to be the full chrome. I'm going to pop this on. This one's going to be a beautiful, hopefully nice, smooth chrome nail. You don't need a lot of powder for this. Now, I was going to do silver stamping, but I think what I might do is use a different stamping gel instead of a silver, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do. So this one here is nicely covered, a lovely mirror effect. I'm just going to brush off the excess of that one. Right, okay, so I'll bring this one back. So this one has just a little bit of sparkle coming down there. Now I'm going to pop one of these lovely stickers onto there, and then all that nail will need is maybe a little bit of a snowflake in the top corner, and then that won't be top coated, and that one will be finished. Okay, so this is the sticker for this one. So I'm just going to try and position it on. sticking. I'll take it off there actually. I'm going to pop that on there, like so. There we go. I'm just going to quickly use my UV torch just to try and seal that on a little bit more, because it is going to lift. Okay, and there we have it. So now there's that one there. So now I'm going to just take a little bit more of that glitter. I'm just going to bring it a little bit more down the edges because it doesn't quite fully cover that nail. I'm just going to bring it down the edges just to give it a little more sparkle. And there we have. Okay, so I'm going to cure that, and then I'm going to give it a top coat, and that one will be done. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to try using the Magician Stampin' top coat. Because we haven't cured this, what I'm wanting to do is get it so I'll show you. So first of all, I'm going to take my stamping plate, which has already been primed. Because this is a top coat, once you've cured it and you paint it on, it's going to cover up a lot of the design. So first of all, well, I've got I think I'm going to use this one. So you want to give it a good coating, like so. Make sure you get plenty on there to cover in all of the recesses and things. Well, because it's a UV one, this, it's not going to set too quick, so you do have time to swipe and stamp with this one. So I'm going to just roll that over. And there we have it picked up there. I don't know how much of it you can see. So I'm just going to take off the excess parts that I don't want with my lint roller. Okay, and we're going to press it onto this chrome nail. So I'm just going to press it down, roll it on. Now the design is on there. I don't know how much of it you can see. Now I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And meanwhile, I'm going to get this one top coated. So it is ready. Get this owl sealed in. There we have. Make sure there's no glitter left on that brush. Right, so now for this nail, I'm just going to use a black stamping polish. So we'll get that one done as well. I think I'm going to do a slightly different design. think we will use this one because it's got a bit more of a background to it. I'm just going to give my plate a little bit of a wipe. I'm going to take this one. Now this one is the Born Pretty air dry, so you don't have a lot of working time with this one. So you have to be pretty quick. So I'm going to just make sure it's all covered. I'm going to bring that down. Give it a swipe. Okay, and then we're going to roll it on. And there's the print there. So we're going to take this one. Now this one does still have the tacky layer. So I'm going to just press that one on like so. Roll it over. And there we have the black printed nail. So now this nail here, so where you put the Magician Stampin' Top coat, that should only seal in the chrome. Because we hadn't cured the chrome previously in with the top coat, I should now, I take a little bit of wipe, I should be able to rub over that chrome and reveal the pattern that was printed on, and then the black should show up again underneath where, yeah, so the black is now showing up underneath, and the chrome was sealed in by curing that Born Pretty top coat. So there it is there. So there is your kind of your reverse printing. So we have one in the black with the silver, we have the owl, and then we have this one. So now this one, I'm thinking I'm going to put just some silvery snowflakes on this one. So we're going to use the silver stamping polish. I'm going to do quite a big, I want some half ones, so I'm going to use this one on the side. Get that excess off. Slide that down. Stamp that one. So it's picked up there and it's got a few extras. I'm just going to take my roller and rub them off, like so. I'm going to transfer this to the nail. So this one is going to go on this side here. And I think I'm going to take a bigger one. So I think we'll do this one here. Again, it's the Born Pretty but the air dry, so you do have to work a little bit swifter than you do the UV one. Excuse me. So we have that one there. I'm going to take that one and I'm going to pop it just down there, like so. And then to finish off, I think we need like a big one in the top there. So I think we're going to use this one, and then obviously it'll overhang the nail, but it won't matter. Okay, good. So that one there. Take off the excess. I'm going to take it and just pop it on the nail like so. Roll it over, and there we have a bit of a wintry nail there. And I'm going to take the Born Pretty Silver again, just a small amount. I'm just going to push it over just some little bits of there, fill in them black bits, just to give it a little bit more sparkle before we top coat. So I'll pop that one in the lamp. I'm going to get these ones sealed in. So this one. And then this one, so you'll be able to see the silver better now once the top coat's on. And we already did the owl. And there we have them. Just put the lid on that. So there's the Magician stamping top coat that I used on the reverse chrome there. Now put this top coat on this one. I'm going to get these all in the lamp, cured for 60 seconds. And you can see with the top coat on there now what they're going to look like. Don't know how much of that one you can see. So yeah, so that's those done. A bit of stamping, bit of stickers, bit of glitter. Just another nice wintry set. Go with any outfit, black and silver. And so I hope you liked the video, and if you have, please remember to like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Thanks now. Bye.